Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Dermot Kennedy, Funeral for Heartache. This is a song that is pretty much the same throughout the song. We have this corporation that goes in the same way, pretty much, almost. We're gonna come to that. First, let's go into the setup, and you can see here, no need for any capo and such. Let's go into the chords, which is the 4 chords we need: D, B minor, G, and E minor. Let's go into it. D first, open D, second G, third B, and second E. Very easy there. We're gonna go into the next B minor, which is the bar chord. So place the index finger on the second fret, which is 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. You don't need to push down the last E string. And then you go into the 4th fret D string to add that one, 4th G as well, and 3rd B. And there you have the B minor. Then we have G next. And that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E, and finally the E minor. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. What we're going to work here with is 4 downs, okay? I believe that's the best way to handle this song. So like this. Okay. That is one string around, and I try to play on the 3rd down on the higher strings down here. And all the other downs I play in the bass mid area, so. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Could be hard to separate the bass from high strings when it comes to the D chord, since that only covers 4 strings. But yeah, you have to have a little bit of a pointy downstrokes, so like this. All right, I play D, B minor, G, and D, and that is the main chord progression here in the song. You're gonna play that for the verse play, so you play 4 string rounds per chord. So D4, B minor 4, G4, and D4. You play for 2 chord progression rounds. Then at 45 seconds in, you're gonna come to the pre-chorus, standing on St. Breed's Road. That's around the lyrics, and you're gonna play E minor 4, and then G2 plus 1 down and a pause. And that pause is as if you would play a total of 4 rounds. And that pause builds up for the chorus, okay? So the pre-chorus goes 2, 3, 4, then G2, down. And there comes the chorus. Only once you're gonna play this for pre-chorus. And speaking on chords now, at 55 seconds in, you're gonna play in the same way as you play the verse play. So again, this is the main pattern: D, B minor, G, and D, 4 string rounds per chord. You're gonna play for 2 rounds here in this first chorus. Okay. After that, second round, it's just repetition. 2 rounds in the verse play, 1 round in pre-chorus, and 2 rounds in chorus. Then comes the bridge, which is happening at about 2 minutes and 52 seconds in. And guess what? You're gonna continue with that chorus play for 1 round, and then you're gonna jump into the end of the song, the 3rd chorus. The first round out of 2, you're gonna play just 1 down per chord, of course with the right timing. So D, 2, 3, 4, and B minor, 2, 3, 4, and G. I'm counting the strummings here, 4 and D. That's the first round, and then the second round you're gonna start to play the strumming again. So 2 rounds in total in that 3rd chorus, and then you have the outro part left. Again, you're gonna go into this 1 down per chord, D, B minor, G, and end with 1 D. And that's it, my friends. Dermot Kennedy's funeral song. So pretty much D, B minor, G, D is what's going on here. And yeah, it doesn't have to be hard in that. Hope that helped, guys. And if it did, leave me a like on this one and be back for next time. That means see you soon. Stay tuned.